Hello everyone, this is Conop.
Hello everyone, my name is Aikesh. Today I and my team will be showing you how to set up your Facebook page with Agent Smart AI e-commerce tool. So this tool allows you to use keywords to pull up.
And beside QR code, you can also set up all the product inside your messenger bot to showcase your product. So in this case, I have already created product here. You can see, and also from QR menu, you can get the all link or QR code for your e-commerce store. Here is the messenger QR code. Okay. So in this case, let me show you how to set up actually inside messenger bot. So first you need to go to messenger bot, then click on bot settings. Here is my page zero chat restaurant chatbot. Then I am setting up some bot reply for keyword based. Okay, click on add bot reply. This is actually keyword based reply. So I am writing burger, and please provide your keyword burger. So if any customer write burger, then from here for reply you can see e-commerce type. Now I am selecting e-commerce. Then from here you need to select your e-commerce store of this page. Then please select products for carousel or generic reply. So in this case you can showcase your product as carousel or generic template. If you add multiple product, then it will be shown as carousel. If it is single product, then it will be a generic template. Okay, and for carousel there is a limit for 10 product or 10 item inside on carousel. So I am selecting beef burger, chicken burger, vegetable burger. So this is my burger item in this case. Then please provide buy now button button text. Okay, so in the carousel we have give the option to give a button, and this is actually mandatory. So you can give any thing like buy now or in your own language. Okay, so in my case I am writing buy now. Click on submit button. Okay, now let's see how it will actually work inside messenger. Okay, you can see here is the Facebook page. I am writing burger as a customer. So you can see here is the carousel of all product. Okay, this is nice. You can easily set up this product like this way. You don't need to write anything, just you need to select product. Okay, in my case I am writing setting up another unlike pizza. Okay, so selecting e-commerce, selecting this one, and for pizza this another pizza. Okay, these three. Then let's say order now. Actually let's check pizza. So you can see, and the button name is now order now. When I click on order now, it will be displayed the specific product. Okay, so this is how you can easily set up your messenger bot with your e-commerce or restaurant product inside Facebook Messenger. So this will be helpful, and thank you very much. See you in the next video.